Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 2 26th of August 2021 question. Question number 16. Minimum value of n for which 2I whole n 1 minus I whole divide 1 minus I n minus 2 positive integer. Minimum value of n for which value we should calculate the minimum value of this number and must be positive, and n is a natural number, n belongs to capital N. So this is the question in the house of maximum minimum, and it is a JEE Main Shift to 26th of August 2021 question. So at first the given number is 2I whole n divide 1 minus I whole n minus 2. So just simplify this one. So that is equal to 2 to the power n I square whole n by 2. Now the denominator is 2I, that is minus whole to the power n minus 2 by 2. So that is equal to, once again simplifying, 2 to the power n into minus I square means minus 1 n by 2. Denominator is minus 2 whole n minus 2 divide 2 minus 1 whole n minus 2 by 4. So for just taken the value n is equal to 2. N is equal to 2 means this one is 0 by 2, that is 0, and it is also 0. So denominator 0. So this value is not positive value, this gives, so this one is rejected. If we take n is equal to 4, then this one become 2. 4 minus 2 divided 2, that is equal to minus. This one become minus, this one become minus. So this value is also, n is equal to 4 is also rejected. Now taken n is equal to 6. So when n is equal to 6 is taken, then this become 2 to the power 6 into minus 1 whole 3 divide minus 2 whole square into minus 1 whole to the power, it is 6, it is 1. So it must it is now it is positive, therefore so it is, that is equal to positive number. So therefore n is equal to must be 6. So this is our required solution, and we reached. So this is the whole solution of question 16. Now moving to question 17. So question 17 tells us that angle between two body diagonals PB and CQ of a cuboid is cos inverse 1 by 5, and the length and the breadth are equal in length, which is 10. Find height of cuboid. 4 options are given. So this is the question in the house of area, that is trigonometry, and also area of the, we should calculate the values, that is a vector is a angle of the body of diagonal of cuboid. Okay, this is the question in the house of also vector. So at first this is JEE Main Shift 2 question 26th of August 2021. So let's draw the picture at first. So this is our two axes, x and y axis. So a cuboid we should drawn, we want a cuboid, so that is, here is the cuboid, this one just taken, this is the cuboid. This one is the cuboid. So this is the cuboid. Okay, so now here is the point A, this is B, and this one C, and this one D. Now the base that is P, Q, R and S. Okay, so this now the point of point A is equal to 10 comma 10 comma 0, B is equal to 10 comma 10 comma, and it is height, so it is, let's suppose it is H, and C is equal to 0 comma 10 comma H, D is equal to 0 comma 10 comma 0, and just join C and Q, CQ, so the diagonal, so just join C and Q, so, and S up to Z, this one. So R, now R is equal to 10 comma 0 comma H, Q is equal to 10 comma 0 comma 0, P is equal to 0 0 0. So this one is the x-axis and this one is the y-axis. So this is the given cuboid. So now PB and CQ of cuboid is cos inverse 1 by 5. So PB here, and CQ is the formed angle cos inverse 1 by 5. So therefore now QC is equal to minus 10 I cap plus 10 J cap plus H K cap. Okay, PB is equal to what? PB is equal to 10 I cap plus 10 J cap plus H K cap. Now cos of theta is equal to what? 100, that's square, 10 square plus 10 square 100 plus H square divide root over of 200 plus H square, and this one is whole square. So that is equal to given, that is 1 by, also that is equal to 1 by 5. So now squaring both sides and simplifying this one, we get 5h square is equal to 200 plus h square. So 4h square is equal to what? 4h square is equal to 200. Now h square is equal to 50 and h is equal to 5 root 2. So this is our required height of the cuboid, that is equal to 5 root 2. This is our required answer, and our option 1 is our correct choice. So this is the whole solution of question 17. So these are the two solutions. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.